back to my channel. So here we have my package. This is a new set. It's actually 3 3D metal models. It's just arrived today, so I'm going to open it, and there are actually 6 more models that I have ordered online, but still have not received it. So probably by this week I could receive it and could start assembling it. Alright, so these are the 3 models that I have just ordered. Okay, let us just check them out. Alright, and this one is, I don't know, this one, okay, this is the Droideka, or the other name for this is Destroyer, or Destroyer Droid. Alright, so this is from Star Wars also. So we have Star Wars, Star Trek, and for sure, so this one is the fighter plane, the Moth fighter plane. So okay, so maybe I'll select to assemble now the MOTH. Alright, so we're going to assemble the Tiger Moth fighter plane now. Alright, so let's just open this up. And of course the manual. And yep, I think this would be an easy assemble. I hope so. There's only 1 page here. Okay, and this is the plane. It's only 1 plate. Yeah, it's only 1 plate. This one fell down. No, it's just here. But there's only 1 plate. I hope it will just took me like an hour to assemble this. And I think it would be easy. I hope so. Okay, so let's get started. Alright, so I am down to my last assembly, and it took me about an hour, but this thing is so delicate, especially the frame on this fighter plane, and the wheels here, I cannot actually make it sturdier, otherwise I might snap this one. So it's not very sturdy, as you can see. I actually I had assembled this carefully to make sure that I won't be able to snap it, and unfortunately I actually misplaced this one, the wheel frame. I actually put it in the wrong hole, and yeah, as you can see, it's actually been bent, and I don't want to correct it anymore, like twisting it a bit there, otherwise it might broke. So I just leave it like this. So yeah, this is the only thing that is very difficult is here, and also the frame. The frame is very delicate, as you can see. So this is the side, this is the back, this is the wheel at the back, and yeah, it's actually hard. Okay, so let's just put the final component, which is the propeller, so this one, or the blade of the fighter plane. Let's get started. Okay, I think I'm done, so I don't want to push it too far, otherwise it might get worse or get snapped or something. So yeah, the wheels here is not good, as you can see it's not straight, because the frame is very delicate, and yeah, I think this would be it. So okay, so this is the end of the assembly. So as you can see, this one, I took a lot of time thinking to which hole is it going to be in actually, so that's why. And okay, so I think that's it, and thank you for watching. I hope you have enjoyed it. Like if you did, and subscribe. See you to my next assemblies.